I have 3 stories for you by SHaDoWDeF. First story, Harmony in Diversity. Imagine, if you will, a journey through centuries. Each tale of every generation, a testament to their spirit, their beliefs, their traditions, still rests within the heart of their progeny. Each generation birthed into this grand design of existence, heeding the age-old wisdom, molding it, shaping it to suit their time and necessity. It is like walking into an already painted canvas, in which we find our colors blending and mixing into the previously steeped hues. As we look closer, we see no 2 colors are the same, and therein lies the true magic. It is a harmonious symphony composed by a diverse orchestra, every note, every instrument, equally essential to create a melody that reverberates through time. Harmony in diversity. Now, envision a world where this melody is not just heard, but deeply ingrained in every life form, where the rich tapestry of our shared histories unfolds into a thriving new world. A world where each living soul has an equal say in shaping their destiny, where the old paradigms fade to make way for fresh thinking. Every idea holding an equal measure of worth, free of prejudice or bias. Picture a world where we extend our hands equally to each other, creating together a home that truly belongs to all of us, with unrestricted claim to every grain of its earth. This is the world we strive for, a world we can build together when we think beyond ourselves, to nurture, to share, and to deepen the roots of harmony in diversity. This is a dream that can be reality if we let it be. Second story, Roots of Change and SHaDoWDeF Parable. Once in a town divided by inherited prejudices and biases, a young girl named Ada unearths an astonishing truth. Hidden beneath the grudges were stories of camaraderie and unity, of her ancestors who once thrived on the principles of equality and shared prosperity. This revelation stirred something within Ada. She realized the profound power to create a new narrative, breaking away from the cycle of inherited division, a narrative embracing everyone's voice. Ada, being the driving force, gathered her whole community, ignited a spark of change, and initiated a harmonious symphony of voices that dared to dream of a future, garbed in unity and equality. Together they planted a tree, their tree of unity. This tree was not just a symbol, but a promise to approach each dawn as a canvas, where every voice contributes to the painting of a vibrant new day. Ada believed that they were not prisoners of an inherited reality, but architects of the reality they wanted to pass on to the next generation. Thus, their tree stood tall and strong, its roots digging deep into the soil of shared ownership, and its branches reaching high out to the sky, ever ready to embrace the winds of change and unity. All born under its shade would know the story of Ada and the promise she kept, cultivating a world where every voice matters and the earth is shared equally. Third story, The World We Create Together, The Last Parable by SHaDoWDeF shall deliver. In a universe not far from reality, exists a realm where digital avatars represent us, the humans of the world. Each avatar symbolizes a unique person, carrying stories of their diverse individualities. This group of vibrant personas is soon to embark on an awe-inspiring quest to build an unprecedented society, a testament to the extraordinary power of collaboration born from unity. If there's anything to learn from our existence, it is that we inherit systems from those who came before us, systems redefined over generations. But what if, for once, we all convene in unanimity to create something entirely new? A world that embraces change, fosters creativity and is not entrenched in the shadows of pre-existing power structures, offering an equal say to every man, woman, and child. This journey of creation is the heart of our story, where every voice matters and no thought is perceived as less. This utopian world rejects the notion of sole ownership. Instead, it stands as a beacon of shared ownership. Every being born onto this realm possesses a right to every part it comprises. This pure, egalitarian vision transcends what we are capable of conceiving as we strive to create a world beyond our wildest imagination, where we flourish together in shared equality, striving to uplift and better each other, where shadows dance with light, and words and melodies change and create reality. A juxtaposed duality resonating in harmony, with words, music, and video, a trinity of symphony. Subscribe if you like.
This is a Deaf production. This is a Deaf production. This is a Deaf production. This is a Deaf production.